find a seat, please? Thank you. Before I begin, I want to take the time to say thank you to our two retirees this year, Miss DiMaggio and Mrs. Worth. And I want to thank them for all their hard work they give Mission Valley over the many, many years. I want to say welcome to parents, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, and we even have a 4th grade class today to watch us perform our musical, The Unity Tree. Thank you again to the amazing parents who made the beautiful props for our children, and for the Harkey family for funding the show. Fluency is very important. It leads to comprehension, and research shows that students build fluency best by hearing a model read aloud, repeated readings, and through learning plays, songs, and poems. We thought it would be a perfect way to wrap up our year of reading with a play. We never dreamed it would be this elaborate, so thank you again to our prop committee. Students have learned to read with expression. They've learned diligence, patience, teamwork, and responsibility throughout this whole process. We couldn't be prouder of you 1st graders. Please remember to turn off your cell phones, sit quietly, and enjoy the show. We hope you enjoy the theme of our play.
Welcome, everyone, and I wanted to tell you that a performance is not a performance without an audience. It's just a rehearsal. So you are the most important part of our performance today. Thank you for being here, and enjoy the show.
That is very difficult. No, I know. I'll be blocking. That is one.
Hey, Thank you.
that.